made some upgrades. I was recording it, but it got destroyed. Power shut down. But we're back again, testing out this form, contact and text context. What brings you here today? Name. Let's say, so I'm testing it. Okay, now we got it. It's a long ways off though. Okay, good. Required or I don't have a website. So then it's not required. Let's say AI. Now the trick is to see if it actually goes to the website and evaluate it, which is what it's supposed to do these days. I say a Google search. And check that the fly. What tools or platforms do you currently use? Check all that apply. Let's say, what industry or business are you a part of? Lawn care service. Are you currently using AI? No. Are you currently using automation? No. It's the biggest frustrating to get new customers right now. End of the season. Now I'm gonna see if it's gonna address that directly. Ideally, it should give them ideas on what to do about customers, like maybe providing services of leaf blowing or something. Because clearly, if they're worried about the end of the season, must not be marketing anything else. If I can help you fix one thing in business this month, what would it be? Get new customers. What would be consistent? What would more consistent leads or better online visibility mean for your business? I could start stressing about slow weeks. How comfortable are you currently using AI? Haven't tried it. No way. Have you ever worked with marketing? No. What was your experience like? Not applicable. Is there any specific thing you'd like me to look at? I'm going to say website. If this free session helps you, are you open to leaving a short testimonial? Yes. All right, let's see what kind of response we get. In the other video, well, earlier, we had a well-formatted PDF. There were some issues at the end where the response was jumbled up and not formatted, but the rest of the PDF was fine. We had an issue where I could tell that it was not evaluating the website because I put that didn't have a website, and it said that the website was okay. Or something like that. Report sent successfully. This is new. Let's see if it is supposed to share, give someone you know a free evaluation courtesy of you. Suppose it's, oh, see, it's copying. It's copying the link. I wanted to share it like normal, share. But let me see what it says. Referral undefined. That's because there's no login system. I didn't say do a referral. I just said share it. Anyway, so let's check the email. See what this looks like this time. You didn't get it there. We got it here, 1033. Yep, that's it. Score 95. So, all right, let me show you what happened. So here, this is the email. Oh, this is the notification uh, from the system that telling me that this is a hot lead. I like how this is highlighted. They got a score of 95. Anything over 80 is going to be a hot lead. So they got a score of 95 because of the way it answered questions. Okay, this is nice. This is identifying the gaps, not using paid advertising, missing social media. I don't know how it knows it's missing social media presence. I got on it last time because you can't assume that it's missing social media presence just because I didn't check the box. Only thing we know is not using AI. We know that. No automation. We know that. No Google business profile. We don't necessarily know that because they just didn't check the box that that's where they was getting most of their leads from. It doesn't mean they don't have a Google business profile. Well, no, it said what tools are you using. So, oh, maybe that's why it says uh, not using social media. All right, no, that makes sense then. Current strengths, 2, using Google effectively. Wait a minute. No Google business profile, using Google effectively. All right, that's to us, so we can deal with that. Has a CRM system, okay. Recommended actions, AI voice demo, schedule a call to demonstrate. Automation audit, offer a free workflow audit to identify 3 to 5 tasks they can automate immediately. Paid ad strategy shows on how GoHighLevel can track ROI on paid campaigns. Social automation, demonstrate automated posting and lead capture from social platforms. Next step, priority lead, hot lead, suggested timeline, contact within 24 hours, more like 24 minutes. Highlight high conversion potential. Best approach, lead with quick wins. They have multiple gaps we can fill fast. All right, that's pretty good. Now let's see how it did to the actual business in that report. This is not as nice as it was before. Matter of fact, wait a minute. It's giving them their opportunity score. It's telling them that they're a hot lead. Maybe I got it mixed up though. Big plumber currently faces significant challenges due to absence of a website, which eliminates any chance of. All right, that's ridiculous. It doesn't eliminate any chance of online visibility. Not mentioning lawn care service or Greensboro puts potential customers at disadvantage, keeping them unaware of your offerings. Create a simple one-page website for a big plumber. You identify the need for marketing assistance, showing your willingness to improve. Your commitment to customer acquisition indicates a proactive mindset. Your lawn care business in Greensboro doesn't have a website, which is a critical gap in your visibility. Your absence of mentioning any lawn care. Look at that. Absence of mentioning lawn care service Oh, no, that's true. I did put the website this time. But what is it saying? Absence of a website. I don't have an absence of a website. I put a website. Didn't I? Hey, I can, yeah, I did. To see what they evaluated. Set up a domain name and create a basic website. Develop a content plan. Implement a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that includes SEO, email, potential paid ads. Okay. Section 1, sharpen your offer and audience focus. Big Plumber, a log service business serving Greensboro, is crucial to clearly define your service offering and target audience by aligning your marketing strategies with local needs. You can carve out an attractive space in the competitive market. Action steps. Identify specific lawn care services you excel at and highlight them on your website. Coach Insight. Clarity is the first step to action. Section 2. Turn your website into a 24-hour sales rep. Right now, Big Plumber has no online presence. You keep saying that. This is your biggest opportunity. A well-designed website can work around the clock. Without it, action steps. Coach, your website not just digital. Brochure is your business. It's most powerful tool. Section 3, build a daily outreach habit based on your current customer acquisition methods, focusing on word of mouth. It's essential to amplify this through consistent outreach efforts. That's good. Set aside time every day to connect with local residents through networking or community events and encourage satisfied customers to refer friends. This is good. Start with AI voice tools for lawn care service. They're a quick win. Coach Insight. Coach Insight. Success is a result of daily habits, not once in a lifetime transformation. 3, easy step flow. Focus on visibility. Know someone who could benefit? Share this evaluation with your network to get the 1997 business growth evaluation completely free, courtesy of Big Plumber. Okay. All right, so areas for improvement is absence of a website. I don't know why it's saying absence of a website. I am pretty sure. Well, let me just do it again. Don't want to do it again, but I had to do it again. Let's see. Referred by someone. Name. This is name. Super duper dent removal. Yeah, I did use it. What happens if I choose all of them? No, no. Custom solutions. What is your biggest frustration in getting new customers right now? Hard to get them. Get more customers. Oh, right away. No. No. Maybe. Let's see how it goes. Now let's see if it gives us the same type of response about the website. It needs a back button. Not really. Can't look open that right now. All right. Looks better over here. I guess Windows doesn't allow the pretty immediate actions you can take this week. Okay, this doesn't really say anything. Let's see what it says. Big Plumber. That's not what I said this time, is it? Is this the right email? (10:46), 10:47. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what just happened. I know it said Big Plumber though, but now it says Super Duper Dent Removal. While positioned in a unique niche with a memorable name, has critical gaps in its online presence that are limiting its market potential. The lack of mention of fresh chicken, eggs, and Greensboro on the website is a significant oversight, likely costing them local customers. All right, so here's another issue. I didn't say I was local. Who are unaware of their offerings. That's another question that's got to happen, I think. Additionally, the absence of automation tools indicate that the business has not yet streamlined customer interactions, which could enhance efficiency and engagement. Now, that's beautifully said. Quick wins: update your website prominently Feature fresh chicken eggs in the homepage header. Content to clarify your business offering. Incorporate Greensboro is key. That's, oh, I did say a city. All right, I guess though, it's not I guess. We definitely need to have a piece that says who are the people you're trying to reach. Your action plan. Set up Google My Business. How do we know it's, oh, okay, then click it. Super duper removal, dent removal. I said the dent removal places selling chicken eggs. We need to start right there. You should have started right there with the name. I don't know. I think ain't nobody gonna be that silly though to have a name opposite of there. Mm-hmm. Super duper dent removal. All right, I need to test this though. I'm gonna say no website, and I'm gonna change the city. See what happens. Service area. Oh, nationwide. Yeah, okay. Well, it is relevant since I said this is the service area nationwide. Let's see how I respond to that. I said I don't have a website. All right, that doesn't work. So this is designed so either you put in your website URL or you have to say I don't have a website. That way we know for sure whether you have a website or not. Well, I believe it. Okay. I can see the issue. I don't have a website. Checkbox isn't connected. Yeah, that's right. You're absolutely right. Duolingo. Where we at? What we got? What we gonna do here? Perfect. The application is running successfully. Let me test to fix it. I'm focusing on the email field now, trying to fix a small glitch with the website error message is sticking around. Okay. Here we go. Not exactly. Okay. Okay. The test revealed that the checkbox isn't immediately clearing the validation error. Yeah, I told you that. All right, I apologize, y'all. All right, it's done. Let's see if it works. Searching my options. JC's. Wait. I'm saying I don't have a website. Let's see. Erase that. See what happens. I'm gonna say nationwide. That's something new we hadn't said. See if it gives the same type of rhetoric in the evaluation. Okay, that worked. 1 to 3 years. Google search. CRM. Painting. Are you currently using AI? No. Let's put yes and see what it says. Can I use honors tools? No. ChatGPT. Wait, I'm gonna put something stupid. Paint tries too quickly. This how you hide more customers. What would be more consistent leads? Stop stressing on slow work. How comfortable are you currently with using AI? Have it tried it? Right away? No. Uh, Maybe. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes then. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, let's see what's going on here. This close, but it doesn't really do any good to close it because you come back here to the beginning of an assessment. You shouldn't get back to the beginning of an assessment. You should not be able to take it twice. So maybe it was good so you couldn't close it in the first place. Yeah, I'm gonna put that part back. Um, Level 4, level 5. Thank you for completing your business assessment for Jesse. It's a little backwards. Hi, Elbert Truck. Jesse. Responses and prepared a comprehensive report. Jesse is a painting business. I think he got it backwards. With significant gap in online visibility, lacking even a basic website. You don't talk to people that way. The absence not only limits customer reach, but also undermines potential SEO benefits that could be gained from promoting the business nationwide. Okay, it recognizes. By not mentioning painting or its nationwide service area, Jesse is missing a key opportunity to connect with potential customers actively searching for these services. It's crucial to address these gaps to leverage the full potential of the digital landscape. Quick wins. Register a domain name. Create a simple website that highlights Jesse's as a nationwide painting business. Add a clear statement about the services offered. Create a Google. All right. Uh, Clearly identified as a painting business to who they have recognized the need for customer outreach strategy using Google search reviews. That don't even make sense. Anyway, areas for improvement. Your business has no online presence. Again, you can't deduce that a business has no online presence just because they don't have don't have a website. Wait a minute. Didn't I say I was painting? This, what's going on? What world going on? Is this thing changing? Oh, that's my bad. Where has no online presence. Okay. Shouldn't be condescending toward the business. Be encouraging and motivational. Instead of business has no, I say it. Let's leave it like that. We are, I don't know. I'm tempted just to leave it though. A significant gap in online visibility, lacking even basic website. I'm gonna leave that. However, I don't like this. Um, don't make statements like this. This has no online presence. We don't know that to be true. Maybe say doesn't have sufficient online presence. What else is in this report? Like that. Purchase a domain name, draft a list of services and descriptions to include on the website. So much to offer, so much to do. Why don't you just stop? Oh well, that's the easiest thing that they could do. It's a website within 30 days. 30, 30 minutes, man. Set up the Google My Business profile. Develop comprehensive digital marketing. Explore automation. I know another question that we should be asking though. Are you spending money? Wait a minute. Now this is messed up. This was looking good one time, last time. What else was it? Name, business name. Jesse. I am pretty sure it uses the name for the business name and business name for the person's name on the report. Check to make sure. Um, I think a great question to add would be, are you willing to spend money on marketing? And if so, how much? Or should we say, are you willing to spend at least $1,000 on marketing your business? Advertising. Are you spending, well, we should say, are you spending money on advertising? How much and on and where? Because are you spending money on marketing and advertising? Which, I'm sitting up here thinking about how to ask about how much money they're spending on advertising, whether to ask and how much. Did I say a word to ask? Let's see. I can see issues you highlighted. Let me check the current implementation to understand what's happening. Yeah. Let me check some. okay. It's waiting on me. Let me get my report first. Soften the AI prompt about online presence. I took it off. Agent has identified a task. A task? A task. Check names are correct in reports. I tell you right now. Oh, okay. That's that's right. Maybe I was backwards. Is showing this with the potential to drive degrees of tree trimming market. How will the business completed lack of online presence severely hamper the growth? Complete lack of an online presence. Okay, fix that. Good. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Start building. Wait a minute. It didn't do anything. So sometimes the report is formatted well, sometimes it's not. You have identified no online presence language is too absolute, right? We should say doesn't have sufficient online presence. Date section formatting is broken. Looks like a hurricane went through. His name might be swapped, and the report header add marketing budget questions. All right, so one more go. See how it turns out. Now let me verify the name business fields that are correct. It was correct in the last one. Let me trace through the code to ensure they're being used correctly. All right, good. At least it's not saying it's going to automatically switch it. It's going to check it, right? Good. News. Good. The database has the name and business name as separate fields. The code is correctly identified. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. I can see there's a problem at the recent submission. Correct. Name, early bird trucking, business name. Swap. Okay, it was a time that it was swapped. Twice. Fields are getting swapped. I knew I went crazy. One time it was correct, twice it was swapped, the last time it was correct. Wait, I think I see the issue now. Looking back at the database results, I see the user might be entering the business name in the name field and the personal name in the business name field. Oh. Perfect. I completed the task. User error, huh? One of those deals. Oh my goodness. All right, let's check it out. Oh, okay. Check. Beanstalk walk. What's the industry? I ain't got to it yet. Wait a minute. I didn't see the marketing dollar question. Did I miss it? The Beanstalk Walk, as a French fry wholesaler serving nationwide, faces critical gaps in visibility due to a vague. Okay, so they actually checked the website. Currently, the website does not communicate what your business does, nor does or that you offer services nationwide. This lack of clarity is likely costing you customers and missing out on significant lead generation opportunities. Addressing these gaps can set a solid foundation for growth in your market segment. Update your website to clearly state that the Beanstalk Walk is a French fry wholesaler to eliminate confusion. That's good. Add a prominent section on your website to highlight that you serve customers nationwide, which will improve your SEO. Create a dedicated landing page or blog post about the benefits of buying a French fries in bulk from wholesalers, which will attract potential customers. Revise the homepage of the Beanstalk Walk to include clear messaging about being a French fry wholesaler. That's good. It just because it shows that you actually read the website. Like nobody website should actually be that bad unless they change their business and hadn't gotten around to changing the website yet. Create or publish great and publish content that appeals to your audience. What in the world? Oh, this will just be the section in blue, I think. And this is, all right, problem. Also, still, what did I just say? Where's the marketing question? What is your biggest frustration? Getting more visitors. If we could help you do one thing this month, what would it be? Buy my book. Now there it is. Okay. It wasn't there last time. Yes, below 1,000. Yes, 1,003. Yes, above. Okay, I like it. So I can take this off. That's why I wanted to do it again. Let's see. Now let me get my report. This ain't, wait, 1137. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Wait a minute. I said the business 6. What was the score? 100. Active on social media. Voice demo. Okay, good. Where's the copy of the PDF though? Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 1138. this is me as the business. Hot lead. I thought I put in 1138. Beanstalk walk. All right, y'all. I'm kind of done with this. Lord, let's see. All right. Company. Oh, that's okay. Mr. X. Company X. I on the wall.com. All right. I know that I'll use that email. Also smart. That's what it's supposed to go to. And what I made up something. Right away. No. No. Yes. Blood thousand. Now, I've made a mental note that this is where it's supposed to come to. Because I could have sworn I sent it here last time and it went over here. So let's see what happens this time. Oh. All right, let's see. That's nice and neat. Company X, a trucking business operating nationwide, faces significant gaps in online presence. The website failure to mention trucking and nationwide means potential customer cannot easily identify your services. What website? Oh, I made up a website. Your willingness to seek marketing help is a strength, but without addressing these critical deficiencies, gaining customers will remain a challenge. Update the website to clearly mention trucking. The company has been operating for 3 to 10 years. You're actively seeking marketing. Leading to confusion for potential customers. Review your website content. Trucking. Consider implementing CRM to better manage customer relations. Update for better results. Sharpen your audience focus. That's better. I think for quick wins, it should mention the funnel. What did I? Was it a problem somewhere? Quick wins. That's a lot better. Well, I can get rid of this. I think if a business says anything, well, if a business indicates it wants if a business doesn't have a website, suggests it considers having a funnel built with a lead. Consider it says it build it builds a funnel with a lead magnet. It has for quick wins. If a business wants more customers or to increase revenue, suggesting a funnel as a quick win is likely a good idea if they have not indicated if they also need a lead magnet and email capture form. All of this can be conveniently formed if they indicate they are interested in AI voice. Point out all of this can be implemented with the same system. Go high level. And on that note, we're gonna let us do his thing, and we're gonna cut you off, buddy. See y'all on the next one. If you got any questions, let me know.